Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about healing inner child wounds, how to heal inner child wounds. So basically, I'm not gonna repeat my story. I feel like it's redundant. So if you have been abused as a child, if you've been molested, raped, if you've been mistreated, neglected, malnourished, I'm driving as usual, and you have grown up to be a narcissist, or oh, look at the way that sun was shining on me, my halo, there it is. So if you grew up like that and you don't know what love is, and hurt people, basically this is for you. This is not for the people that have healed already. This is not for the people that already know what I'm talking about. Okay, you already passed that level. So basically, if you've been hurt and done wrong as a child and not shown what love is, or loved or treated the way you're supposed to be treated, or protected, some people weren't protected as a child, then basically what you need to do is heal, obviously, because hurt people. That's why you meet narcissists, that's why you meet abusers, that's why you meet pedophiles. That's because they was abused as a child and their innocence was taken, and they are confused and they don't know. Like, that's why some people are homosexuals or whatever I say, or lesbians or whatever, same race, sex stuff, so same gender sex. Now my thing is, that's because sometimes, I'm not saying all of them, sometimes they're confused, so they don't know because they think that it's right. Just like people that's attracted to children, just like people that molest children because they were molested. It always stems back to childhood. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. So start scripting, start doing mirror work. Mirror work is when you look in the mirror, you tell yourself you love yourself. It's all about self-love. This journey that y'all don't know is basically self-love. It's a love journey, because we as human beings, as these vessels, we are supposed to love and show love. That's why the earth is dying. That's why everything is dying. That's why you have war. That's why you have the people that control you, beginning with the GOV. It starts with that, right? They control you because you let them. So my thing is, we all have free will. So if we have free will and we have our amendments and we have our rights, then how come it's always violated? Because you don't know your rights, right? You have freedom of speech, you have freedom to bear arms, you have all these rights, but you keep getting violated. Yeah, because you let them. Now anyway, once you start spitting your rights and you start telling them your rights, then they can't mess with you, because you smart, you awaken, enlighten, whatever you call yourself. Now start scripting. Basically, go to therapy, get therapy. It's nothing wrong with it. Talk to somebody that doesn't know you. Talk to somebody that doesn't have a bias. That's basically what therapy is. Talk to someone that's not gonna judge you. They don't judge you because they get paid for it. You go there, release your problems. I go to therapy. I needed therapy as a child. I wish I would have had therapy as a child. I would have been awakened years ago. Imagine that. But I didn't have no help. I did it all on my own. So that makes me even stronger as a individual, as a human, whatever. This is just a vessel. We just basically souls that came here, that decided to come back and clean up our bad karma. That's basically what it is. Or karmic people, they come here to try to kill you again. Like karmics, they basically in their past life, they try to take you out, and they come back here to try to take you out again. And then if they succeed, they succeed, and if they don't, they try to come back again. Or you could banish them, like I did. Like Kalima did. Banish them, and you see people suffering, you see people that used to be mean to you, you see them in their karma. Yeah, that means that they was basically behind the scenes doing spell work, and it backfired because you returned it. Hello, because you know what to do. or your ancestors destroyed them, they plans. People are so petty. People would do like evil things for money. Like that's why they say money is the root of all evil, because people like they want money so bad, but they don't know, like, you get money, you're gonna lose it, especially if you're a karmic and you're a nasty entity. You're gonna lose it, fool. Anyway, let's stop. Let me not go there, because I'm so sick of them. Now back to what I was saying. So try to heal. That's the first step. Acknowledge that, you know, you need healing. People don't acknowledge it. They try to come to you and, you know, hurt you and talk about you and talk about how you are as a mother, and, you know, blame you and judge you and project their nasty feelings on you. Like, especially those church people, they want to be all fake holy, tell you what to do, but meanwhile they going in the graveyard doing all this nasty stuff, collecting people's dirt and all this nonsense, putting it in the Bible, because they don't believe in God. A lot of people that go to church, they don't believe in God. They serve another God. Not everybody that go to church serve one God, the real God. They serve in all kind of fake false prophecies or whatever, or they serve man. You know, the person that stands in the front, they serve him. He's a man. So that's why the churches, they going down. But that's none of my business. It's in Revelations. Y'all read y'all Bible, right? Or do you? But anywho, start scripting, start, you know, dealing with your pain, start addressing it. You know, don't project onto other people. Do not neglect children. Don't ignore your children if you have them. Don't do what was done to you. That's my advice. Try to be better. Like, do better. Y'all have kids, like, y'all was blessed with kids. Some people can't have kids. Y'all was blessed with children. Don't treat them like dirt, like how you was treated. That's not right. That's not the right way. Don't mistreat them. Don't treat them like they're your baby father or your baby mother. That word is so disgusting. I even hate saying that. It's so trashy. But anyway, don't treat them like that, because that they're not them. Everyone has their own destiny. You people, you try to force destinies on children. That's not cool. My thing is, a child, they come natural. They come clean and pure. They don't have anything. They don't have any negative, you know, nothing. They just come here to fulfill what they're supposed to fulfill. And you don't give them what you want to give them. You don't put on your bad karma to your child. Like, that's horrible. Just because they got your bloodline. You don't do that. That's a disgrace. Like, come on now. You definitely should burn for that, because all of that stuff is negative, and that stuff is nasty. Don't do that. My thing is, you need to heal first, and then start writing down what you want. You have to mother yourself. This is how you, basically, you be the mother that you never had. That's how you heal yourself, your inner child, because that child is still scared. That child, you know, when someone leaves you, when someone has abandonment issues, when someone is codependent, that means that they're scared to be left alone. They're scared to do anything by themselves. They're scared to be an adult, because when they was little, they was scared and they was left alone and nobody helped them. Nobody was there for them. So they do it, and they cling on to people in relationships, and they act like they love them, but it's not love. It's codependency. Look it up. And it's trauma. Y'all trauma bond, like I told you in my previous video. Trauma bond, it's a thing. People do it. It's nasty. People get married for trauma bonding. People be like, oh my God, you went through this, you went through that. Me too. And y'all basically start another toxic cycle. You bring children in the toxic cycle that's gonna have to deal with your karma, which is nasty, and it keeps going on. That's why bloodlines never get cleared up. That's why you never cleared away for your ancestors. That's why y'all always live in poverty. That's why you always be in the projects. That's why you never have money. That's why you can't hold on to a man. That's why you go to jail. That's why you have STDs. That's why your children go to jail or get killed. That's why you get sick all the time. That's why you can't afford your rent. That's why you can't afford nothing nice. That's why you jealous all the time. That's why you envious. Hello, the list goes on. That's why. Because you're not healed, because you're a narcissist. And you have to first acknowledge that you're a narcissist, because if you were meant to come here to do something on a path, on a mission, you had a mission, you have to acknowledge and get out of your ego first, so that you can help others, so that you can relate to others. Because if another person comes to you and they're a nasty narcissist, you're supposed to know eventually, like immediately. I mean, just like that, like, oh, this bro is coming to use me. I gotta basically let them play this out so that they can heal, because they gotta get their bad karma. Feel me? They trying to project karma on you, but little do they know that you already work with God, you work with your ancestors, you work with the entities, you work with good and bad. I work with good and bad. Like, hello, I already been to the dark side. I'm already on the light. I already transformed. I transmuted myself. So hello, that's why I wear a lot of white all the time. Cause feel me? Like, you could be pure and not be a virgin. Like, come on now. People be so ignorant with these sayings. Like, listen, you have to have a pure heart. Like, when you die, you're gonna be judged. I don't care what you believe in. You could believe in the dirt. You could believe in nothing. You could be like, I'm a sadist. Oh, I like to do polygamy. Oh, I like, all of that is cursing yourself. I don't care. You doing that because you don't love yourself. That's why you want people to use your body, because you don't love your body. Duh. What person wants to be used? Like, please give me a break. Or anyway, what person doesn't want to be loved? Whoever say they don't want to be loved, they're lying. They're just lying. That's because they've been hurt so bad that they think everybody's out to hurt them, and they're stuck in a cycle because of the last person that hurt them. But please, y'all need to just get out of that and wake up. My thing is, everyone's not the same. I don't look like the next person. The next person ain't never gonna look like me. People want to be copycats out here, copy your image, copy what you do. That's a form of flattery to me. Feel me? You trying to be like me? Okay, go ahead. Kudos. I hope you go through everything I went through. I hope you do that. And I hope you make it, because people be dying out here in these streets trying to be like somebody else. They don't know what they went through. They see them looking all cute and stuff, want to be jealous and judging. That's why you shouldn't judge. So anyway, like I said, when you die, you get judged. If your light is not as light as a feather, if your heart is not as light as a feather, you will go where you need to go. Thank you. And that's all I got to say on that. Heal yourself, love yourself, be the mother that you never had. Love yourself, start scripting, start writing. I love myself, I'm a great mother. I love my children, I love what I created. I'm a creator, I'm a wonderful manifester, I'm a wonderful creator. I created life. Like, you a woman, you created life. Like, my thing is that, look at what you do. You bring life into the world. Like, look at your womb is great, is blessed, is holy. I'm like, come on, these people that have kids that throw them out, y'all already know y'all going. Y'all already know where y'all going. I don't even gotta tell you. Like, that's crazy. Like, you throwing kids in dumpsters. You what? You carry this kid for 9 months, but then you throw it in the garbage? What? Or you killing? Oh my, God forbid. I don't even want to say it. Today's Sunday. I can't, God forbid. God bless y'all. Anyway, be the reason someone smiles today. I want y'all to check out my Etsy shop if y'all love cooking like I do. I got Caribbean green seasoning. I got Caribbean sofrito. You know what I'm saying? I get it litty. It's litty. And don't mind how much you see, because I make local orders. People around here, they know me, so I deliver locally. They don't like to go online, because a lot of people, they older people, and they don't know how to use the internet like that. So check out my reviews and order if you like. Donate to my channel if you want. That's on you. And be the reason someone smiles today. And my Etsy shop is Nova's Kitchen, one word. That's my daughter. And I wish y'all blessings on blessings, because today's Sunday. Let today be a great day, because it is once you woke up. And I send y'all healing. You know what I'm saying? I send y'all Archangel Raphael healing. I send it to you. You know what I'm saying? I want my Reiki send you healing. Okay, if you need it, I send it to you. All right, Ashe, guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.